cut a little bit of cake. Oh, it's a soft one. Oh, looky in there. Oh, that really is a bit special. Smells fantastic. You can smell that coconut. Oh, come on. It's red hot, it's crumbly, it's soft inside. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. We're doing an old school recipe, great grandma's coconut loaf cake. Now I don't know if your great grandma made it, but many did. It's a simple recipe. It's really old school, where you start to boil everything off to start off with, let it cool, mix it with the flour and eggs, bake a cake. So simple. In here, butter. I'm going to stick a flame on already. I'm going to go in there with my milk. Everything gets cooked in here. It's a boil. In there with some sugar. And we're going in with our desiccated coconut. We want a bit of a mix on this and boil it up. Now the idea of boiling it is to melt all the butter and everything in there and the sugar. Dissolve the sugar. And you do bring this to the boil. Be careful, don't forget we're boiling milk and butter. Don't you love these old recipes? You know, if anybody's got any suggestions of recipes out there, please leave a comment below. Let me know. Let me know what was around when you were growing up. What did your folks make? Your grandparents? What was handed down? I would love to know. We might be able to make some on here. So we've got a little boil on there, look. I can't feel any sugar on the bottom. That is cooking done. As easy as that. Right, now this has to go completely cold. We cannot mix this with eggs, else the eggs will scramble, as in scrambled eggs. So let this go completely cold, probably about 10 minutes, and then we'll carry on. Okay, while that mix is cooling down, I'm going to use this loaf tin. It's about 9 inch by 4.5, somewhere around there. And I've got a loaf liner. I'm using a liner. Now if you can't, and I've greased this out, look, as you can see it's buttered. If you can't get liners, you're going to have to put parchment paper in. So I'm just going to bob that in there, like that. There we go, lined out. And we're just going to dump our mix in there when we've mixed it. Very easy. Okay, our mixture's cooled down quite a lot there now. Now, with all these type of recipes, you know, I keep showing you on the channel, it keeps saying beat one egg at a time, do this, do that. Okay, so I'm going to throw all my egg in. We're not messing about. I've got some flour and I've got some baking powder in there. I've got some salt in there. Gonna mix that. Just going to give those eggs a little beat in there. So they're in, and then I'm going to chuck the flour in. Okay, our eggs in. Now, to stop them from curdling, you always add a bit of flour. So we're making a cake batter, so all of that can go in. It doesn't have to go in a bit at a time. Mix in. Job done. Quite lumpy, it's got coconut in. Okay, there's our fabulous mix. We want to be sticking that in a tray, on a tray in our dish. Batter in there. Just give Grandma's cake a little tap down in a preheated oven. In it goes. preheated oven at 170 using this air fryer, and I've set the time for 35 minutes. In a normal oven about 180, about 40-45 minutes. Just keep checking it, don't burn the top, get a skewer, stick a skewer in. If the skewer comes out clean, it's cooked. Grandma's cake is baking. Okay, that's smelling cooked to me actually. Let's have a look. Oh, look at Grandma's cake. Let's have that out of there. We need to be going in with the skewer and just check for doneness. So, let's go in here. We're going in on an angle, look. Look at that. That is clean as a whistle. Let's come in here. Oh, that's a little bit damp on the middle there. Okay, this wants to go back in. Going to go back in for about 7 minutes, somewhere around about there. Just a little bit. So we're back in about 7 minutes, somewhere around about there. Let it do its thing. We need to keep checking it because we don't want to burn over the top, because you can see that that is starting to brown. Okay, we've done our time. That's coming out of there. Let's have a look. Now that looks something special. Right, in here with that skewer. Skewer, clean as a whistle. That cake is cooked. Fantastic. That's Grandma's cake made. Right, all we're going to do now is let it just sit about 5-10 minutes, something like that, and we'll take it out of there and put it on a rack. Awesome. The smell of coconut in here is incredible. Okay, we need to be getting this out of that tin. Now it should pop straight out because, oh, look at that. It should pop straight out because it's on a liner. That smells incredible. Okay, the cake's still warm, but it's time to cut into Grandma's cake. Let's have a look under here. Oh, absolutely, absolutely perfect. Lovely, lovely. Come on, let's get in here. Cut a little bit of cake. Oh, it's a soft one. Oh, looky in there. Oh, man. That is so warm, actually. Oh, that really is a bit special. Smells fantastic. You can smell that coconut. Oh, come on. It's red hot. It's crumbly. It's soft inside. Oh, yes, please. That is superb. Bring back those old memories. Come on, you can't go wrong with a cup of tea and a slice of cake. Look how soft and moist this is. Even the crust soft and moist. Oh man. That is amazing. I love coconut. I absolutely love coconut. This cake is so moist. It's so soft, it's crumbly. It's delicious. It's one of those cakes where you can actually thin spread some raspberry jam over and elevate it even more. It's fantastic. That's great Grandma's coconut loaf cake made. Well, there you are. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Share all over, help the channel grow. Ah, by the way, did your great grandma make anything like this? If they did, leave a comment. Tell me, did they make the coconut loaf cake? It was very popular a long time ago. So don't forget, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to the channel, big thumbs up, ring the bell, catch you in the next video.